Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 shocking things you can make out of old books. So I can't wait to get started. You really can do any silhouette you want. I decided on a butterfly. So to start, you're going to be making these rolls. They're very easy to make. So you're going to start with, find some colorful magazine pages. And you're going to put the pretty part on the bottom for when you're rolling. You're going to roll from one diagonal spot to the other diagonal to get the longest roll possible. So you'll just start by rolling. I'm using a pencil to roll around. Make sure you take it out as the roll continues. And you roll, roll, roll. It may take a few to get the tension right, but once you do, they're quite easy to make and quite relaxing actually. And then you're going to glue it at the end. And it holds very, very quickly. I'm just using white glue. And then you'll continue your rolls. It'll depend on how many rolls you need, depending on the size. I'm assuming this butterfly will probably take 20 or 30. I'm not really sure. So you could cut this out first, but you really don't need to. So I'm going to put the silhouette on the bottom, and then I'm going to glue my rolls like so. And then again, glue, glue, glue. And I'll continue gluing these down, and then I'll show you how we cut it. I've allowed these rolls to dry for about an hour at this point. So I'm going to flip this over, and now it's time to cut. So you're going to cut just along the silhouette. To make this easier, I'm just going to cut off all this extra. So now you'll begin to cut along the silhouette. I'm going to have to go in at all different angles to kind of get this. Let's learn how to make these sweet envelopes where you can write a nice little I love you note and stick it inside and go ahead and close it. So let's get started. I'm using vintage book pages. So you're going to start by making a perfect triangle. And then you're going to take the extra paper, fold it up, cut it off. Fold the triangle, flap down, other flap down, leaving a nice little gap. Right fold over, a little bit over halfway. Other one over that one. Then go ahead and tuck it in. And there's your envelope. And it comes closed. Go ahead and open it up. And there you go. I'm going to show you how to make these really cute upcycled vintage page gift bags. I used an old dictionary page. So go ahead, and what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it here, place some glue, fold it over, just like that. Fold the rectangle up and go ahead, fold a triangle on the left side and a triangle on the right side. Stick your finger in there to make it a little easier. this down. Add some glue on the sides and fold that up. Go ahead and fold this here. Fold this here. And put my gift inside, some tissue paper, fold it over, cut a piece of ribbon. To create the vase, I'm going to make 70 folds. That's actually going to take 140 pages. So you're going to subtract 140 from your last page number and then divide that by 2, and that tells you exactly where to start. So the first step is you're going to go, once you found the center, you're going to go ahead and fold your bottom right corner up to form a triangle, and that's exactly where you're going to cut. And you can cut probably about 4 or 5 pages at once, because remember we're going to repeat this 70 times. And then you're going to go ahead and tear that part off. And the way it works is go ahead and form that triangle, and then the next page, go ahead and fold it straight in to the spine. And then you're just going to do every other one. So then you're going to go ahead and make your triangle, and then fold into the spine, and then continue cutting. And you're going to repeat this 70 times. And that's, as you can see, it's already starting to form it. And then when you're finished, all you're going to do is then start decorating.